Lights, camera, action.
So, do you recognize any of these men?
No, I told you I was hiding in the bathroom stall. I didn't get to see his face, but I do remember him singing a song at the bar.
Do you remember what song?
It's an older song. Candy Rain?
So for real, I'm familiar. Number one, sing the opening of Candy Rain.
Really? Okay. Have you ever loved someone so much you thought you'd die? Number two, keep it going. Giving so much of yourself, it seems the only way. Number three. Oh, tell me what you want and all. Number four. And I will give it to you. Woo! 'Cause you are my love. Do you ever dream? Do we ever dream? Candy, sing it, the guilty. You're the same, my candy ray, my candy ray, yeah, my candy ray, ooh, baby, my candy rain.
Number four. Number four is the one who killed my brother.
Oh, I forgot about that.
I don't want a girl who gets a car for her sweet 16 or spends a stack of dollar bills on a limousine. I want a girl who takes a bus and who wears baggy jeans, rocking Nike Airs. What the hell are low Bettines? Don't want no fake tits, short skirt. Daddy's money don't work. Shop until you drop on the